Family's veggie secrets were revealed at the recent McCain Veggie Party hosted in Johannesburg.
Do you eat vegetables during the week? Do you ever eat vegetables?
No. She never does us vegetables.
I'd say I cook almost every day, but whether they like it or not, it's a different story.
Why McCain decided to throw this event was really to try and help mums be able to convince their little ones to eat veggies and become a veggie lover. Well, I think kids at this stage don't really like vegetables as much as they can, but vegetables are delicious and they're yummy. It just depends on how mommy makes vegetables. And McCain has that range of good quality vegetables that are easy to prepare and versatile to make in some really delicious dishes.
McCain gives mom a helping hand with a versatile range, so it's easy to turn kids into veggie lovers. No matter how busy a family's lifestyle, moms know where to turn for meal inspiration.
I think it's important for parents and kids to understand vegetables, and I think you've got to make it fun.
One clever recipe that Mary Martin showed the moms and kids on the day was the veggie croquettes, jam-packed with nutrients. Mix together mashed potatoes, McCain frozen sweet corn, chopped chives and McCain mixed vegetables. Form the mixture into ovals around a slice of cheese. Coat it in mayonnaise, then dip into breadcrumbs. Deep fry it until golden brown and crispy. Delicious!
I think it's really important to try and change the perception around veggies because a lot of the times moms struggle to get their little ones to actually eat those veggies. But it's so important. It's got all the nutritions and the vitamins that are essential for a healthy immune system. And that's what McCain's really trying to do, is trying to give mom a whole lot of reasons to really convince their little ones to become those veggie lovers.
The young guests at the party gave the foodie ideas 2 thumbs up, and moms agreed.
The recipes were great today, you know. It's nice to get some tips and do different things. Obviously, you get a bit set in your ways sometimes.
I hate vegetables, but after this McCain's Veggie Party, I'm definitely going home and eating them. Also, I think the great thing is, you know, what we've learned today, what I've learned is that there's a lot of things you can do to vegetables. You don't just have to have them as they are. You can jazz them up.
Find more inspiration and information at mccain.co.za. Also keep tuning in to Expresso as we share ideas that even the fussiest little eaters will love.
So there we go. Parents, very important to make sure that your youngsters get in those veggies.